Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you that if you have Samsung's digital inverter AC and its remote is not working properly or it is damaged and you have to turn on the AC in emergency, then you are very helpful. You can easily use your AC from mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connection. If you have Xiaomi Mi and Redmi mobile, then you can use your AC from mobile very easily. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, now I will tell you about the setting of the mobile. Now you can see the mobile on the screen. First of all, you have to open the Play Store of your mobile. Now you have to search in Play Store Raza Remote. And then you have to install Raza Remote. After Raza Remote is installed, you have to open this app. After that you have to agree to the terms and conditions of Raza Remote. After that you will come to the main page of this Raza Remote app. Now you will see in the page that the AC symbol is visible. You have to go inside by touching the symbol of this one. After that you will come in new page. After that you have to find your AC company, and from this app you can connect and use almost all AC. If you connect your AC, then you can use AC from your mobile anytime offline. Now you can see that Samsung. Now you have to go to it. After going to Samsung, your remote page will open. Now note that you have to use your mobile by showing AC. As you use AC remotely, you have to use mobile in exactly the same way. Now you can see the remote above. You can see that matching Samsung AC 1 to 30 remote is given. Now I will tell how to use it. Firstly, you have to press the power button of the mobile remote. If yours sounds a beep, then you have to touch it. It works. And after you press the power button, AC does not sound the beep, then you have to next. But my AC didn't make beep sound, so I am doing next. After doing next, to remote will come. After to remote comes again, you press power button. By pressing the power button, there is a beep sound in the AC, so now it has to work and the AC remote will be ready. If your remote is still not set, then you need to check by doing next. But the remote of my AC is fully ready and I am able to use the AC very easily. Hope you have understood my video. Then please like my video.